Hi techies! Welcome to PIC series. This is Tiny Techie and we are going to learn how to create a new project in MPLAB X IDE. The IDE we will be using to develop embedded systems with PIC MCUs is called MPLAB X IDE. However, it is completely free to use and you can download a suitable version for your operating system. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a new project in MPLAB and how to add the basic code files. Just stick with me on the steps below. The first step is to run the MPLAB IDE.x file on your desktop or the installation path. The second step is, head over to the File option, in the menu bar, at the top of the screen. And choose, to create a new project. Now, in New Project window, select, Microchip Embedded. Then select, Standalone Project. Now click on Next. Choose the family of the MCU, which is 8-bit midrange. Then, type the name of the chip, in the box below, which will be PIC 18F452. Then click on Next. This is where, you select the debugging hardware tool, for your project. Select Simulator, under Hardware Tools. When prompted to select a tool. After selection of Simulator tool, click on Next. Here, you will choose, the compiler for your project. We will be using, MPASM compiler, for our projects. Then click on Next. The next step, is to assign, a name for the project, and folder selection. Select the path, where your project, to be saved. Then click on Finish. Close any open projects, in MPLAB X IDE, by right-clicking on the project name, and selecting Close, or by going to File, and choosing Close All Projects. Now let's create the file where we will write our assembly code. Right-click on the source files, and create a new general .asm file. And give it a relevant name. Then click on Finish. The source file, which is a general .asm file, was created successfully, in which we write the assembly code. This is the procedure for how to create a new project in MPLAB X IDE and add the source file to the project.